Here's where you can go to find the different battery modes as well as performance mode. This is a POCO X6 Pro phone running Android 15, HyperOS 2. You can also check your Xiaomi phone if you have these features. The fastest way to find these different battery settings or find performance mode is always checking in the quick access. So as you pull down from the top right, you can look for the battery saver one, and this icon here is the performance mode one. So you can simply tap on it once to enable it or disable it. And you'll also notice that the battery icon for your status bar icon right here up there, it's going to be different color. Now, in order to simply just go into all the different modes, you can always come back here, look for any of the two battery icon toggles and long press it. Once you long press it, it'll take you straight to the main battery settings. You'll see current mode right here. And by choosing that, you can see which one of these are there and which one you can choose from. And you can always switch these at any given time, like NSEP.